Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to focus on comparison between Autosnipe AI and also GMGN. Okay, so Autosnipe AI is a Solana-centric trading platform designed for speed and automation, specifically targeting memecoin traders. With its AI-powered sniping capabilities, it allows traders to capitalize on high-risk, high-reward opportunities with rapid execution. On the other hand, GMGN AI takes a different approach. It is a research and analytics platform that focuses on uncovering undervalued tokens through in-depth analysis of on-chain data and social sentiments, rather than prioritizing instant execution. GMGN AI emphasizes strategic decision-making, making it a valuable resource for traders looking to make informed decisions. Okay, so let's go and start with Autosnap AI. Okay, I think the Autosnap AI, which I covered it more in my previous video, I highly encourage you guys to come back to this one and also watch it. This one actually I like it from its interface. Okay, and I like it very much because let's be honest. Okay, once you jump into the Autosnap AI and you want to, let's say, do some, I don't know, you're thinking about copy trading some of the wallets, okay, or just to use an AI for sniping the coins, right? You right away, right off the bat, you can see it right in front of you, okay? You get a clear, nice vision of what this software is offering you. All right, let's go back into the GMGN then. Okay, once you end up on the GMGN main page, okay, I'm not saying it's the interface is a bit clunky, but you have to go and dip the deeper. You have to investigate that deeper. To find out what you're really looking to get out of that, right? So, for example, copy trade, fine, you can see it, right? But still, once you click on it, okay, you can do some research on it. You can go and click on, for example, the particular address, and you can do some more analysis of that, okay? But still, I think the Autosnipe AI, it's much more clear from what it's actually showing you right after you end up on their Autosnipe AI main page, right? So for example, let's say that we on the Autosnipe, okay, you got it like 2 weeks ago, or no, even last week, you got a AI snipers copy trading trader lenses, okay. A couple of days ago they add a meme vision, all right. I think those guys are really developing the new product, okay, which they are currently it's on the rise in my opinion, okay. Many people start discovering this one, and I think it will grow rapidly, okay, because those guys are not staying behind the other products like GMGN, which is quite popular, obviously. GMGN, don't get me wrong, it's a good software. However, the guys from Autosnap AI, I think, in my opinion, they are really catching up quickly, because they are seeing what's missing on other platforms like GMGN, for example, okay, and they're implementing those missing parts into their own platform, which is completely a different user experience, okay. The people actually it's much more friendly, when it comes to somebody who has ended up on their platform right away. They know what to do, okay. Or for example, they can follow the process. For example, okay, I can go and copy trade, I can click on it, look at this nice clear interface, you can start, you can put the address you want to start copying, and so on and so forth, right? So now let's go into the to some of those features, okay. Trade their lenses, track any trader's portfolio, recent trades, and more, okay. There we go. Once you click on it, okay, you got analyze traders performance at hyperspeed, track any trader's portfolio, recent trades, token performance, and more before copying, okay. There on GMGN, however, okay, when we go to let's say the copy trade, okay, we do have those wallets you can go and analyze, right? But first, let's say that you need to go and click on it, okay, and let's say that you want to start copying this one, right? So you can go and add it out into the copy trade. Here on the trader lens, okay, we can you can analyze the address, the particular one, just by copying the address here, and you're gonna give you the full details of that particular address you're looking to get, So, for example, if we go into copy trade on this on the Autosnipe site, right? The Autosnipe is offering you additional help by, for example, integrating those support addresses across all major platforms by integrating, for example, the bird eye and done link. Okay, so let's go and click on it, right? So once we click on this done link, right, it will redirect you to Solana Alpha wallet signals. All right, so I think that's a really cool feature. Okay, it gives you Solana Alpha wallet signals for copy trading, right? So let's say that you are thinking about copy trading one of these wallets, right? You click on this done link, and you'll be redirected into this done page specifically dedicated for Solana Alpha wallet signals for copy trading. Okay, and look how many of those wallets here are available, like 1,993 rows. My goodness, that's loads, isn't it? So you can definitely go and start doing one by one, investigations into the wallets you're trying to, for example, start copying, right? So this is something which also is interesting on the trading with Autosnipe, right, guys? Before actually I move on, I just have to make you aware that this is not a financial advisor. Okay, I'm just doing this comparison between those two platforms, just to let you know, what is it you can expect from those platforms. Okay, but remember, this is a very risky business, trading overall. Okay, but the crypto, trading in the crypto, so you have to definitely do your own research before you make your decision, if you, for example, you want to invest in one of those particular assets, right? So, but for example, Autosnipe and obviously GMGN has their also built-in very intense features which actually giving you the opportunity to do some intelligent research on it. Okay, however, Autosnipe is actually giving you the additional links, for example, like I said, to this down site where you can actually go and click on particular wallets. Yeah, so as I said, guys, the Solana Alpha wallet signals for copy trading, there you go. It's all for you to go and do some research on it. You can also go and use BullX Alpha wallets here, also available on this done link, right, which has been provided by Autosnipe. I think it's quite cool. The same with the bird eye. Okay, when you go to the bird eye, you're gonna see the trader board. Okay, and they're also giving you the opportunity, to go and check some of those wallets and see if you are interested in them or not. Obviously, do your own research before you decided to follow one of those wallets, right? But I think that's a cool feature here from the Autosnipe AI, actually giving you opportunity to see them all in one place. Okay, now the other thing is that this meme vision, right? The meme vision was just introduced a couple of days ago. Look at how cool that is, right? I know it's very similar to the one where we can go new pair, okay, from GMGN, okay, where you got a new pool burned and the screen is spent, right? So this one is also newly created, graduating, and graduated. Okay, so that feature is actually quite interesting as well. Okay, GMGN actually had this one here available for you guys to look into it. Right, you can do some additional featuring, but I think still, again, it's I think the Autosnipe AI actually took this one to make it even better. Okay, for example, you can go and do some additional filtering. Okay, for example, auto has a disable, like all those features are very cool to have. Okay, for example, people with at least one social, you can hide drags and you can hide scans, and right away all those will be presented to you the way like you see it. Okay, those are something which you want to go and dig deeper inside those coins and decided if that's something you want to go and just they can make sure that you do all on the research before you decided to invest in those. Okay, here on the other side, on the GMGN, okay, you can definitely do some the filtering, like filter risks, filter wash traders. Okay, that's also cool, isn't it? You got some sort of options. However, let's be honest, in comparison to Autosnipe, I think this is really cool. You can go and even say like token age. Let's say I don't want to have a token age at least, I don't know, 240 minutes, right? Because it's all in the minutes. Minimum liquidity. I don't know, 1,000, for example, and so on and so forth, right? You can go and apply those filters here, and it will show you nicely produce report of all of those filters according to your to the way you requested from them. And this is all done by clicking all those buttons here, putting some numbers the way like you prefer. Okay, those numbers do not copy me, guys. You just put those random numbers. You can do the filtering the way like you prefer. I'm just saying like that Autosnipe is actually quite cool in this development. Okay, and it was introduced only a couple of days ago, and I think it will be a pretty much a very much of a game changer for this platform. Okay, because it's actually giving you a good indicator into those new graduating or graduated coins, right? The other thing which I really do like about this Autosnipe, okay, in comparison to GMGN, is how transparent those guys are, right? So for example, let's go and you go and once you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you get all those tops here, okay? Not many people look into those, but you should, right? Why? Because let's say if we go to a GMGN, okay, I don't really see those similar tabs here. Okay, let me see. Let's go about okay, fast trade, fast copy trade. Okay, this is nothing like here on the Autosnap. What I'm looking to get out of them is just, for example, fees. I want to see what their fees are, right? So, and here go. Once you click on it, and they are very transparent by saying what are the fees for using Autosnipe. Okay, so Autosnipe fees, lowest trades fees among platforms. With referral 0.9, without referral 1%. Okay, so if you click my link below, which I'll be leaving down inside the description of this video, that will be 0.9 will be applicable percentage point. So 0.9% per trade or fee. Okay, now gas paid to Solana. Okay, a basic gas 0.002 Solana. Priority user decides in setup, and Jito user decides in setup. Right, so gas is paid to validators even when transactions fail. Okay, they are so transparent. To be honest with you guys, that's something which is really cool. I really enjoy having this one here showing that Autosnipe AI is so transparent in their fees. Right, I really do like it about this project that they're actually showing you right away. Okay, you invest with us. If you want to go and trade on our bot, no problem at all. That's what we're gonna charge you. Okay, you have to remember that before you make your decision. First of all, this is not the financial advice. Once again, you have to do your own research, but you have to be careful, because you need to be, for example, what is the minimum deposit amount on Autosnipe? Minimum deposit amount is 0.01 SOL, but you need to add this 0.9% if you use the link below, on top of that, right? Percentage, okay? So you have to make sure that, the way like you'll be structuring your trades, okay, is just that you will, if those trades be like a winning trade, you just have to indicate, you have to incorporate those fees inside their, inside your calculations, okay? So make sure that you understand the field structure, and it's quite easy. I think easy, more transparent from Autosnipe AI than from GMGN, right? I know that GMGN, I think they're charging 1%. I really don't know, to be honest with you, and I wish to show you, but I cannot find it here on their website, okay? Which is obviously, it's a bit pity, but look, doesn't matter. Maybe it's there, but I just cannot find it, but it should be pretty straightforward to look into it, right? You want to know how much you're gonna be paid for them, all right? For taking for spending money on their platform, for using their platform. Okay, and I think the Autosnipe AI is quite cool because they are telling you right away, right? So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. Okay, I am planning to make some other videos regarding Autosnipe and maybe comparisons with other platforms. But on this video, I want to just to focus on those two, like Autosnipe AI, GMGN, and I think, in my opinion, Autosnipe AI is a winner here. Okay, and when it comes to functionalities and also to give you these advantages like user interface. Speed is also very good on this platform. They are transparent when it comes to the fees, so I think, guys, it's something that you might consider if you want to go ahead. Click on the link below just to check it out. Once again, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Any comments, leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, we much appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching.